Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned spaghetti sauce better. Even a basic jar of sauce can become a gourmet experience with a few simple steps. Begin by sautéing finely diced onions and minced garlic in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until fragrant. This foundational step builds a rich flavor base. Then, add your canned sauce and let it gently simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing all the ingredients to truly meld together. This extended cooking time deepens the overall taste significantly. To introduce vibrant freshness, stir in a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped herbs like basil, oregano, or parsley during the last 5 minutes of cooking. For a powerful umami punch, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and cook it down slightly before adding the sauce. This concentrates the tomato flavor. If your sauce tastes a bit too acidic, a small pinch, about 1/4 teaspoon, of sugar can wonderfully balance the flavors without making it sweet. For a more sophisticated flavor profile, consider adding about 1/4 cup of dry red wine, like a Cabernet Sauvignon, and let it reduce before adding the sauce. This introduces wonderful depth. To achieve a luxurious, creamy texture, stir in about 1/2 cup of heavy cream or a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. For a heartier meal, brown 1 pound of ground beef or Italian sausage, drain the fat, and then mix it into your simmering sauce. Before serving, taste your sauce and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. A final flourish of about 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil stirred in just before serving adds a beautiful sheen and a subtle fruity note. Serve your enhanced spaghetti sauce generously over your favorite hot pasta, perhaps with a sprinkle of freshly grated pecorino romano or Parmesan cheese for an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.